Let's say I want to print this sheet. This is going to mean I'm going to download it as a PDF, but I don't want to print the entire sheet. Maybe I do not want to print these notes, this J column over on the right. So I will select just the area that I want to print, the print area. I will go up to File, Download as a PDF. And instead of exporting the current sheet, I will select Selected Cell. Now, the Notes column does not show up. I can print it in portrait or landscape. I can say export, and I will download a PDF of this sheet without the notes. If I want to say not include the salary, I can move the salary over here. I can now select the cells that I want to print, and I can go up to File, Download as a PDF as well. And instead of export current sheet, again, just selected cells, and I do not have the salary. Export that, and I now have a different print area. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.